Now,
Hello, people of the tubes.
and welcome to Games Squid.
Oh, today Lasse is gonna learn how to program
I'm
in
excited.
in an excruciating progress that will take several years. But I don't know if he'll be up to go all the way through. Who knows?
We'll see how terrible this is.
This isn't the one I sent you.
Yeah, it's the one I got from the Skype,
Click
so it
on to.
should be.
No, I sent you another one. Let me find it again. No, well, it should be right there. Anyways, it's just the
This one?
basic. Yeah, that's the one. Just do that ball tutorial for now.
Alright,
Balls.
so
Yes. Well,
introduction to a rollerball.
yes, what does it want you to do? Go on. This is for, so we'll just do it all the way.
Right,
And
that's
then,
video I have to watch. Perfect.
well, that's inconvenient, isn't it?
Yeah.
In this beginner
Video
assignment,
for
we're going to
video.
make a very
Do they
simple
not
but
have
playable
a
game.
non-video description of what to do?
Not from what I know. Doesn't look like it.
How inconvenient indeed.
Well, you can just teach me from your mind, I guess.
Well, I never did this.
To use many of the basic concepts from
Well,
the beginner
it's-
tutorial module.
Can you not copy
We will-
the code somewhere here?
I'm gonna open Unity,
Yes.
just in case.
0 out of 8 parts of this.
This
That-
is 0.8 part instruction. How about we just setting up the game, play.
Interesting. Well, it would be good if they did it like they tell you to.
So do we just do this?
Yes, we just do this, I guess, for now.
In this beginner
Oh, click on transcript, actually. Ah, why didn't we see that? Of course, it's right there.
Okay. And the
Beginner assignment, yes. Does it not have the text, the actual code?
I can scroll further down and see if something code like pops up.
There's no code. Oh well, that is a problem. Well, I suppose we might as well do it from memory then. I mean, basically, I think it's just the ball rolling around and collecting these things and they rotate or something.
Yeah, that looks like it.
assignment, we
All right, go on
the
then.
player's ball and the pickup game objects. And
Wait, does it start off with the full product?
No, I just skipped it.
beginner assignment, we're going to make a very simple but playable game to use many of the basic concepts from the beginner tutorial modules. We will be making a rollerball
Oh,
game
that's
where
fine
we
then.
will
Go on,
collect
open
special
Unity.
game objects. We will see how to create new game objects,
New
add components to
project.
these game objects,
Oh boy, you
set
have
the
a
values on
SC.
their properties, and position these
I
game
see hard
objects in the
drive.
scene to
You
create a
must
game.
have 20,
In our game, the
up to 20 hard drives in your computer,
Nah, I just named it C. For kids and giggles.
because it's cool. Oh boy.
Right, so
Well, you start by making a plane, I suppose, and then making a ball. Yes. What?
How do I make a plane?
Game object.
2D?
3D. Plane. There we go. Move the camera with the right. Also, don't be 2D. This is a 3D tutorial.
Yeah, but how do I change it to 3D?
It says right there 2D and you unclick it. Under game. There you go.
Right.
Okay, so now make a ball. Stop that.
Alright. So, is it something I add in here? Components?
Yes. 3D ball. Well, sphere, I guess. There you go. Use the right mouse to rotate the camera, damn it. There.
Oh, I didn't know you could that. That's
Now turn off isometric where it says ISO under the weird thing.
the weird thing doesn't help me a lot.
Left. Right there.
Here.
The thing you were playing with earlier. No? where it says XYZ, it says ISO there. No, not to the left of that.
To the left of this, alright.
Yeah, to the left of it, right there.
I can't
That's
see
the
it.
right. That's the right, man.
There,
Yeah.
ISO.
There you go. Now it's not weird anymore. Right. Okay, so yes. Now add a. Oh, right. Okay, I guess you have to add a light source as well, so it doesn't look awful.
So that's again 3D object then.
Nope, apparently it's light. Just
Right.
right under 3D object.
Right. Oh yeah. Direct light or point light.
Directional. Oh well, that'll do, I guess. No, yes. Alright. Now add a rigid body to the sphere.
A rigid body.
Nope, add on the in the inspector. That's it. And there you say add component and then rigid body.
1 second. Yeah, right. Add component.
All the way down. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
So at first it has a collider, which it already has set up by default, but that means that it's just an obstacle. Physics rigid body. But with a rigid body well, yeah, okay. With a rigid body it has the ability. No, it was right there. But not 2D. There you go. The first one.
Oh, the rigid body, yeah.
Alright, so go on, play the game.
Here?
That's right. Interesting.
It's a ball that fall.
Yes, pause. No, the plane has a collider, so that's odd. Oh, the camera's probably in some weird place.
Here?
Yes, the camera. Oh, move it up, because it's apparently on the right. Oh wait, that doesn't seem right. Why does it not show the plane? How random.
Like this, so I can see.
Well, oh, it's isometric, right. Don't make it isometric. Did you do something to set this up to be two-dimensional?
Nope.
The camera itself, it says orthographic. What is that? Click on that.
Graphic. Where?
Under camera.
On the camera.
In the inspector.
Main camera. It would be way easier if you could point.
Yes, that would be practical. If only we had used Team Viewer, huh? Well, it's right there where it says everything.
Oh, there. Camera, yeah.
Yeah. Yes, don't you see everything? It's right under everything.
Oh, yeah.
Perspective, yes, that's right. Now it'll be less weird, hopefully. Now you just have to set it to be actually on the ball.
Like here?
There you go. I guess.
And
now play it. Oh wait, no, actually. Well, we still have the same problem, but now we don't see the ground because the camera is under the ground. Yeah, there you go. Now we would see it. But you've made a mistake because you've not stopped the game. And if you don't stop the game, it doesn't save what you do.
Oh.
If you pause the game, it moves something around, it doesn't save for some reason. Don't know why.
Alright, so like this now. If I play
Yes, basically. Alright, so now we're gonna make a script, obviously. So
the ball can do something.
yes, now go click on the camera, I guess.
Alright.
And add component script.
New script.
Yeah, that's right.
New behavior script.
Yeah,
fine.
that makes sense. Now double click it. Oh, Visual Studio. Why?
I have
Just make it.
with.
Just make it fuck off and open it with Notepad.
Yeah, this might take some time.
Control Alt Delete. Go go go. By the way, does the OBS say that you're recording this?
My OBS. Yeah.
Okay. Well, remove the, oh god. Remove the thing.
Yeah.
Really?
Which
Processes, man. Have you never used Windows before?
I have, but I don't know if you could do it so specifically.
Processes.
Yeah, 1 second. It's all freezing up now.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, it says Visual Studio there too. Oh boy, yes. This is something you have to keep in mind when working with Unity. Do not install Visual Studio. It's just a piece of shit, really.
A warning beforehand would have been nice.
Well, I didn't realize. I guess
Alright.
they only recently added that to Unity, that it comes with that silly thing.
This up?
Well, I don't know. Maybe.
I'm gonna.
So maybe you should sort it by how much memory it uses. Yeah, that's the one probably. Microsoft with Hub.
Yeah.
Alright, now open it in the browser and then
In the browser.
open it with Notepad. Yes, the the browser.
Yeah, 1 second.
The folder browser.
Alright. And open with.
Wait, what? This looks different.
You're also running Windows on yours, aren't you?
Yes, wait, let me look at mine real quick.
Go for it.
Yeah, for me it says show in Explorer. Why doesn't it say that for you? Weird. Not the oh, there you go. Wait, how did you change this?
No idea.
Yes, the second option says show in Explorer. Yes, this is a much better view. I don't know what the other one was.
Oh, will you?
Yes, where is it in the Explorer?
There we go. Here.
Yes. Oh, good. Now, yes, this is what this looks like. All right, now open it in the Notepad.
Notepad.
That's it. Yes, you already have that. That's good. Even though it seems to be unsatisfied somehow.
Yeah, I haven't updated ever.
Oh boy. Well, it's grotesquely white, but okay. All right, so we've got update and we got start, so that's good. All right, so now go on, tag the click on the ball in Unity.
1 second. I'm adding a hashtag to my title.
What?
Twitch admin asked me to do that for some reason. Alright,
Right, whatever.
So what now?
Go to Unity, click on the ball, and put the player tag on it. Funny that you were talking about tags.
And the player tag is out here in this inspector, I would assume.
Yes, it's quite high up. Let me just find if I have something in my code that has this as well.
Positioning, rotation, scaling, mesh.
It's right under the name where it says untagged.
Untagged.
That's right.
It just says transform there.
No, untagged. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, like that. Alright, I can tag it as the player, like that. Sure.
That's right. Okay, let me just check for the code where you find things with a oh, there we go. Alright, so basically it's called game object dot find objects with tag and then player, I guess.
Tags, find what? Sorry.
Okay, so basically you need this code and then you just put that in there in start.
I'm assuming here.
Nope. There. Alright, so now that's gonna be That's going to return a list of game objects or an array. I never get right which one is which. So therefore you're going to have to... Wait, is that... wait, how does this work? How do you find just one? That can't be right. Oh, just remove the S from game objects. That should work.
Oh, there.
Alright, and then you say... No. So now you need to set up the actual variable that does the player.
Yeah.
Yes. And therefore you need to say, higher up you say game object player is just above start.
Here, yeah.
This is now a declaration of this variable. Enter. Write it. Declare this game object. Nope, not this.
Alright, so what? Player?
Yes, player. Semicolon. And then to declare a variable, you first say the variable, the type of variable, which is game object. So that's what you say first. No, before it.
What? Object game? What do you mean?
Before you say game object.
Yeah.
Before, at the start of the line.
Oh, you want me to write before?
No, I want you to go to the start of the line. Jeez.
Alright, like that.
Yeah, that's it. Space. Okay. Now say player is where it says in the start function. Player is this.
In the start function. So that's this, right?
That's right.
Alright. What do you want me to do here?
At the start you say player equals. Normally people would put this in the put the script in the actual ball instead of having this, but well, let's just see. Okay, now save it and try running the game and see if nothing changes. Control S, man.
Saved. Right. And I can close this now?
No.
Minimize then.
We haven't done anything yet. We're just checking if there's issues. Yes, there is issues, of course. Oh, never mind. No, actually. Wow, why is this shit still open? Alright, so now go into the console and disable all warnings because they're worthless pieces of shit as well. No.
This console?
No. In Unity, where it says the yellow text, like a bitch.
Here? No.
Nope, right at the bottom.
Oh, didn't even notice that.
Yeah, now use that, drag that console out. At the bottom of the screen I would do it. No, not like that.
How then?
Yeah, at the bottom of, yeah, there, that's it. Okay, now drag it all down, but not the console.
Okay.
No, just the width of them. Never mind.
What do you mean by drag it all down?
Make the project part smaller. Yes, like that. Don't know why it's not working.
Won't let me for some reason.
Try control scrolling on it. Also, why don't you full screen the whole thing?
Could be easier.
Yeah, now you should be able to move it down. Okay, now control scroll down the project part.
Trying.
Yeah, the project. There you go. That's it. Make it as small as possible. Now you should be able to make it smaller. No? Weird. Well, I guess it doesn't matter anyways.
Should I remove this in some way?
Yes, click on the yellow triangle on the other side of the screen. That's it. Now, no more silly warnings. Okay, so... Yes, that's possible too. Okay, so go back to the script now. Now that we've got this slightly better. You might want to add some tabs in front of that so it's not ugly.
Some tabs.
No, in front of it.
Sorry, man. I said I was total new.
Oh yeah, that's fine. So do you understand what this code does?
It tells you that the player equals the player object. With then the player has everything in the game that we give the tag player, right?
Yes, which is why we're only going to use it once.
In this
Alright.
script.
Nope, we're only going to use the tag player once. In fact, tags are pretty useless most of the time anyways, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, now go into the update.
Update.
No,
This one.
no, it's in the actual code.
Oh.
There you go.
All right.
So you see that start at the start of this code, it finds the player object and saves it in the code, and then it stores it there. And now we're gonna use it. Therefore, you can say player dot rigid body dot velocity.
Oh, Richard, right?
Yes, rigid body.
Velocity. Yeah. Did I mistype something?
Ah, that's right. So, yes. Well, I suppose the only way that you can actually access this velocity is by. Oh well, let's just say equals new vector 3.
How do we say it's new vector? It's just vec.
As I said it, new vector. 2 different words, one of them capital. Vector. Vector 3. Oh boy.
What?
Don't you just love auto completion?
Yeah,
vector
that's so nice.
It's called vector 3. Now make a parenthesis and say 3 numbers.
What 3 numbers? Just.
No, with what are they called? The colons between. No, that's not it. What are they called?
Not semicolons.
Oh, commas. That's it. With commas in between. All right, now semicolon at the end and start it.
Started?
No, at the end of the line. You always make these semicolons at the end of the line.
Okay, because that says end of code or what?
It's like end of line, yeah.
Alright.
All right, start it.
The game.
You have to save it first.
Alright. Control this. Sorry, control this.
Yes, yes, that's fine.
This one? Yeah.
Yes.
Play.
Mm-hmm. Wow, it sure gave you a lot of errors there. Oh, it's still doing it. Oh boy. Yeah.
Wow.
Click on the ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's untagged, you fool.
I did tag a player.
You have one job.
You saw me do it.
Yeah, yes. Can you point out your mistake?
I forgot to save it.
No. You tagged it, but why is it not tagged? I know the solution.
I forgot to save it.
No, if you tagged the plane, obviously. Can't you tell at the bottom of the screen it says that the plane doesn't have a rigid body? Yes, of course. Now untag that plane.
That's the correct line. It's gonna be the player now. Fuck this.
Untag it. Oh,
I
wait.
have done.
Have you?
Yeah, I just did.
Okay, then we'll run it then. Yes, that's right. Now it flies off into that vector that you asked it to be.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh boy. Yes, reload
File
it.
has been modified by another code. Do you want to reload it?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
I was just too lazy to tell you to write get component rigid body. Don't know why they changed it to be like that anyways. Alright, so yes, now go. You wanna try a different vector now to see what it does. So you can tell that there's no gravity now.
Exactly.
Do you know why?
Because I said the third vector is being 0.
Yes, well there's before there was a gravity to the ball, and now there isn't.
It
Oh
just
well,
went-
I suppose now that we know this, then now you can make the camera follow the ball.
How?
Yes. So you can access the camera by saying this, because the camera is on the script of the camera is the one that's being run here. Alright, so
So
in the update, also add a tab. Add a no, in update, make
yeah, update here. Yeah,
add a tab at the start of this line, please.
at this line, right?
Yes,
I did
at
have.
at the start of it. Damn
Oh,
it!
God damn it! Yeah.
There, now it looks better. Now add another line.
Under or over doesn't make a difference.
Under. You wanna move. You wanna move the camera after you move the ball, obviously, because. Well, I guess it makes no difference, but yeah.
Alright.
Actually, maybe we should make a late update for this. All right. Go make a late update.
Make a late update.
Yes. It's just like an update, but late.
Alright. So I write late update.
Yes.
Shouldn't be down here then.
Yes. No, actually one higher. No. Well, yes, but almost.
Oh, 1 second.
Yeah, you're gonna need that one. No, I said one higher.
One higher. You said that when I was one lower. 1 second.
Oh boy. What have you done now?
I remove shit I don't need to. Alright, here.
Yes, enter.
Now, late update, alright?
Yes.
Awesome.
Now can you spot the difference between your update and the other update?
The other one has a void in front.
Yes. What else?
The update is capitalized.
Yes, late is also capsulated. Oh god. Why won't it stop doing that?
I have no clue.
Late is capital.
It is. Oh. Right. So
I think,
how
actually.
will you?
Why does it do such things?
Right. So now, alright. Yes, late update. Super.
Yes, now parentheses, man.
Yeah.
Yes, more.
More parentheses. Oh,
No.
alright. I write more one side. Yeah.
No, you make it like the other one. Look at the other update. Just make it just like the other update.
Alright. And then I've got to use one of those.
Yes.
Do you wanna these? I've never had to use those before with my keyboard.
Yes, enter. Alright, now write this dot transform.
Transform, yeah?
This at the start, this dot.
Oh. I thought you meant write this as in I should. Oh, alright.
Go on.
This, the transform, yeah?
Yes. Dot position. Alright, equals player dot transform dot position.
Equals player dot.
Alright, semicolon. Alright, now, I wonder what will happen.
I'm gonna save it and shall we have a look?
Yes. Oh boy. Go on.
All compile errors must be fixed.
Yes, you misspelled position apparently.
I guess it did. Oh, cool.
God, you gotta turn off that thing. Go into the settings and stop it from doing such bullshit all the time. Edit. Oh yeah, no, preferences.
Gotta be in editing, I guess.
Possibly.
Nope. General, maybe.
Yes, somewhere here. We can find it. There, auto completion. Right after backup. No. To the left. The left, not the middle.
Oh, you were under another category.
Yes. That's probably something. Oh yeah, disable everything.
Even worse? Right.
Yes, everything.
Also this?
Yes, especially this.
Alright. Close.
Yes. Now right position. Alright, that... I don't know actually. You spell it right.
Now, save, and let's see if it works.
Yeah, let's see. Yes, you're now the ball. Great.
Can we get it to a third person view?
Yes.
Right, let's do that.
Now you guess what we do.
If we want this to be a third person,
Yes.
do we take something... Oh. If you have to view the player,
It's a vector. What do you do with a vector?
but is then the vector just behind it? Is it just the same vector?
It'll be a different vector. Well, I suppose it's this vector and another vector, wouldn't it be?
Alright, I have no clue.
Well,
Well,
you obviously want to move it in a direction, don't you?
yeah, in the same direction.
Yes. So
Just behind it.
yes, so add a vector to it.
And but can I just say vector on then
No,
I have to
it's
do it
the
the
f-
same again?
we're still in the same line.
Right.
That's right. Now add a vector to it. Now you could do a thing like copy the previous vector you did. Well,
I might as well type it in so we learn it.
No, not equals. You can't have equals.
But doesn't it equal a new vector?
Yes, no. You're still look where you are, man.
Yeah?
Yes, you're on the other side of the equals already. This is still the same line.
Oh yeah.
You want to add something to this vector.
Hmm.
It's a plus, damn you. No, not here.
Here.
Position plus, and then you declare another vector or whatever, or you use an existing one.
Position plus vector.
Yes.
Is it like
Yes.
1 point? Is it just 1 point off with it? Or how do
Yep.
you get the vector just behind it?
We'll worry about that for. We'll worry about that later. Just try anything.
Right. It's
Nope, you need commas.
oh that's right.
Those are just impossible numbers.
Oh, so this one?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yep.
Oh wait, no, that's not fine.
I want it to be no, a decimal.
Yes, you have to. You have to say F after a decimal if you want to make a decimal.
Like this?
That's right. Yes.
Right.
Now you're gonna have to say vector 3, and you're gonna have to say new vector 3.
Here or after?
Yes, right there. No. Because no, the new is before it. It's essentially what you just did earlier with velocity.
Alright, but now I'm plusing them. Plus
Yes, that's
new-
fine.
New is apparently the small. Yeah, right. New
That's
vector.
right. Now see what the difference is.
I will save this and I will play.
Obviously there won't be much of a difference. Yes. Of course you've done it in the wrong direction.
What? It should follow
Yes.
the ball, shouldn't it?
Yes, so anyways, let's see if you can understand what we've done here.
Alright. From the top or just right now?
Everything.
Alright, so we started out by tagging the ball. Tagging the ball so we know that that's the thing we're supposed to follow.
Yes, we also moved the ball.
Yeah, but we did that here with the vector.
Yes,
Actually
that's
giving
right.
it velocity and making it move.
But in fact, we're not just doing that, but we're actually overwriting the velocity it has, which is a
But the velocity it
but
has is 0, isn't it?
no,
It's standing still, wasn't it?
it has gravity, so it falls down, but that's already overwritten, so it's not falling down.
Oh yeah, since it hits the plane when it starts, alright.
Yes, anyways, so
I'm just trying
that's
to understand.
that's not how you do that either. But you see, that essentially does that. So now we're gonna read out the forward vector of the camera. Oh well, actually, why don't you just say minus and then see how that goes instead of plus?
Minus.
Yeah, that might make a difference. Go on. Nothing. You see, now we're somewhere else. Okay, never mind. I guess that makes no difference. Well, anyways, we're going to use...
Hmm.
Okay, so add the camera position to it.
But 1 second. When we added the but isn't our velocity equals to our vector?
Velocity is always a vector.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
So when we added our vector here, we added a new velocity.
Yes, we overwrite it with this velocity.
But if we make the camera the same vector, have the same. Alright, if we make the camera's vector have the same, if we have the camera's vector to be the same as the ball's vector, won't they just follow the same path?
No.
Right.
First of all, the velocity and the position are two different things, obviously.
Yeah.
So we don't change the position of the ball. We just change the velocity of the ball, and we change the position of the camera to be the same as the position of the ball minus this vector that you've made.
Yeah.
But this is obviously wrong because we're going to use a forward vector that is inside the camera instead.
A what?
It's basically a vector that goes forward out of the camera.
Yes. Alright.
Go on, guess how that works.
Well, I'm gonna make a new line. I'm just gonna zoom.
No, you're not.
I'm not gonna make a new line.
It's this vector still. You're still working on this vector.
And now it has to go forward out of the camera.
Yes, that's right. So,
But
what does that tell you?
sorry, I need to get something clear. This right here, this is like the
This
first
is a
point,
vector, yes.
second point, and third point. Which one isn't that goes out of the plan?
Huh?
A vector has a oh. A
They're all coordinates, man.
Yeah, I know. But which one is the one that you know when you have two-dimensional vectors?
Yes, but this is a three-dimensional
Yeah,
vector.
which one is the third one?
Doesn't matter.
Alright.
The third one is the third one, obviously.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Yeah, we
So-
haven't learned about three-dimensional vectors in school.
So you're going to add this transform dot forward now.
Here. What?
Yes, instead of this. Obviously this vector, this random vector won't do.
Alright.
Yes, remove that as well. No! Just remove the whole vector but not the position.
Alright, you're behind me, that's why.
Yes, that thing is also part of the vector. Don't you
but-
see?
Yeah, but that's a time difference. That's a time difference. That's
Yes, that goes away now. Okay, so now you're going to add this dot transform.
add this dot transform.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Well, minus actually, but yes.
Yeah.
Dot forward. That's right. Now see what happens.
Save it.
Yes, always save it. You can't test it without saving it.
Yeah, but I don't know if you want. Oh, it works.
Yes, that's right. Now how do you make it further away?
1 second. Had to stop it first.
Clearly.
Right. So if I want to make it further away, it's just
Yes.
following. It's following the position of the player. Minus
That's
this.
right.
If I say plus this, will it then go further away? Can I add a number?
Yeah, you can add a number. How do you add a number to a vector?
I should really pay more attention in the math class. Holy shit.
So yes, how do you? Maybe you want to add the same vector twice. Maybe that'll work.
But alright, I guess I will do that then. Then I add this
Yes.
add new vector 3, I suppose.
Well, you've already tried that thing. Guessing a vector won't do.
But you want me to add it twice.
Yes, and what will that do?
Make the same vector twice.
Don't you see that this transform dot forward is already a vector? That's the vector that you want to add. You see, you've added this vector. Now it's almost it's more in the direction you want, but you want it to be even more in that direction. So how do we achieve that?
If I want to be more, no, sorry, I'm getting taught in Danish. I have to translate all this. How do? All right, I've no clue what they're trying to tell me right now.
You're supposed to multiply this vector, damn you.
Multiply it with what?
Yes.
With 2.
I don't know. Maybe.
Then is it just this sign as a time? So
No, just 2, man. Now multiplied by 2, okay.
yeah. Then there was this sign. I was
What
wondering
sign?
whether or not I should use this for multiplying or the right.
Yes, that's the right sign.
All right, good. I'm gonna
Go.
test. I'm gonna test this. All right.
Yeah, test it. Yeah, see, now it's further away.
I'm sorry. I'm so hopeless at this.
Uh,
At least we're having some fun.
oh yeah. The most ridiculous video of all. Alright, maybe you want to make it more? I
Make
wonder
it
if you
even
can
further
figure
away.
out how to do that.
Make it even further away.
Yes, apparently.
All right.
I'm not sure if you saved. Oh, there you go.
All right. So if I wanted to get it further away, I just have to times a higher number. All right.
Yes.
You were about to say something.
Yes, now what do you think we should do next? Maybe we should maybe you should add more code to the actual movement.
Yeah, we could make it fly around in circles like the shark did earlier. No, the sperm whales flew around.
Oh, you don't even want to add keyboard controls. You just want it to go in circles.
Oh yeah, let's do that. I thought that would be way more difficult.
Yeah, now go on Google what keyboard does.
Keyboard.
Yes, well actually I guess I might as well Google it for you. Or tell you in fact. Alright.
What does keyboard do?
Oh, don't worry. Okay, so basically it's input get access. Okay, that's actually fairly simple. Hardly even needed to look that up. Okay, now guess where?
I'm gonna take a wild guess and get under player.
Idiot.
Why shouldn't the keyboard input be under the player?
Because this is the start function which runs once.
Oh.
It-
But
You want to update the velocity, don't you?
I would want to update the velocity
Yes. So where would that happen, do you think?
here.
Yes, almost.
All right, so
Man, you literally had a line that updates the velocity, don't you see? We already have a line that updates the velocity. That's it.
I don't know what you mean by updating velocity. Then changing velocity. All right.
Look, it's in the update function and it changes the velocity.
All right, like that. All right.
Yes, now go where it says 6.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's right. Now you write get access, input dot get access with capitals in there.
Is get access one
Yes.
word or 2 words?
2 words, capital though. Capital access.
Like this.
Nope. With an X.
An X.
With an I.
With an
No. XIS.
X-I-S.
Yes, and an A. And the X not capital. Oh, God damn it, man! You know, don't you know spelling? Wait, is that right? Yeah, it's right. Okay.
Oh, you know, like an X and Y axis.
Yeah, that's right. Now you're writing in
Right.
parentheses X or something. Wait, actually. Oh, actually, no, it's called horizontal, apparently. Okay.
Mate.
Parentheses.
Alright. Alright, so parentheses, yeah?
Yes. Horizontal. Wow, horizontal, that's it.
Horizontal.
Oh boy.
Hey, I said I was dyslexic earlier.
Well, I can spell things. It's with. Oh boy, whatever, I'm just gonna paste it to you.
Here. I have it right here.
Huh? You do? Yeah, that's it. How do you find that?
I have Google on the other screen.
Alright, now put it in. Oh god, do you know what a string is?
Yeah.
Then make it a string.
Well, then just say that string.
No. I actually don't know how that's called. When you do this.
I might have to read up a bit more on
No, no.
for this.
Just look what I sent you.
Yeah.
Do it like that.
Well, not with penis.
Yeah, that's it. It's not with penis. There you go. Now make it capital and then it should work. Alright, go.
Save it and try.
Yes. You're gonna have to press the button before the ball flies away. Yeah, there you go. You see it? Okay, so how do you think you can stop it from flying away?
Well, I haven't entered any commands to it.
What?
Oh, I was talking about the coding. I was talking about in the
Yes.
coding.
Yes.
Well,
Stop it from flying away.
well, right now we have just set it to flying horizontal. Am I right?
No, that horizontal means the keyboard, so if you press left and right or whatever, then it moves.
No, it doesn't.
Then it's up and down. But too late now that you can't see the ground anymore.
Right, I'm gonna try. Up and down. Nope.
No. Really?
Nothing.
Show me the code. Well, remove the 2 anyways, so that doesn't happen anymore. Yeah, 0 instead.
Right, so it's gonna be like this or what?
That's right. Now let's see if you can press any button to make it move. God damn it, why is it flying off?
I'm pressing everything. Nothing is.
You haven't saved. I wonder
Don't
when
give
you
me that
saved.
sort of negativity here.
What happened there? Alright, now buttons do nothing.
Yeah,
Oh,
no,
they do. There's such movement.
And innovation on a high level.
Indeed. Maybe
Right.
you want to angle the camera downwards a bit.
Now I'm enjoying this. This is progress, alright?
Yes, you've totally followed my instructions. And I've fallen off, but there's no gravity. Well, there's limited gravity apparently.
Alright. I think we're gonna have to cut it here, mate.
No,
Yes.
you wanna.
No, it's because my headset started beeping, so I'm gonna need like a half an hour break.
What? Your
My-
headset?
Yeah, I
Oh
have a
boy.
wireless headset.